In this video, I'll show you how to recover one XBet account. This is very easy. Subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional one XBet account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. So to recover your OneXBet account, you're going to log in and you're not able to remember your password. All you have to do to recover your account is click on forgot password. They're going to ask you for your phone number, your email address, which you put here. Once you put in your email address, they're going to ask you to fill in a code. So once you fill that code, they're going to send a code to your OneXBet account, which you're going to use to log in to the OneXBet account. And once that's done, you can change your password and you've recovered your OneXBet account.